Hi, my name is Ray Bernard, and I am your OpenAI tutor. Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our series on transforming natural language into SQL queries. Last time we discussed how prompt engineering helps us in SQL query generation, but today we're going to do something even more exciting. Today we're going to fine-tune the OpenAI model. I've designed a special application to help you get through the process with no code, and this is something that I'm pretty excited about. I'm going to be contributing this application to the OpenAI's official repository, but you're welcome to get early access to the application. A link is provided to you in the description below. In this app, you'll find options for setting up the system prompt, expected AI responses, and much more. To fine-tune OpenAI, you'll just need a minimum of 10 examples. 100 would be better. You save the data in JSON-NL, which is a standard file that you'll need to use in order to train OpenAI. In our tool, we've integrated OpenAI's validation script, which helps you to estimate the amount of tokens you're using and the number of epochs required, so that you can get a great idea in terms of the costs involved in fine-tuning. This application also features a bunch of additional operations that will help you monitor the status of your fine-tuned jobs. You can, see where they're at, see if they're completed, and also find out what the name of your fine-tuned model will be. In addition to that, you can cancel the job itself and also delete the model that you've created. So now we're going to create a fine-tuned job. We're going to take a look at the job itself. We're going to actually copy the ID into the input box so that I can query against that. I can retrieve the state, and I can also cancel. In this case, I'm canceling because I've already created the job ahead of time. I don't want to create another job with the same data. So we're just going to, just click around and show you the information that you can get. You can list the fine-tuned events. You may have more than one, and this will give you a list limited up to 10. Let's open up the OpenAI Playground to test out our fine-tuned model and compare that to a generic model. In this section, we're going to compare the results that you get against a standard model versus the model you just fine-tuned. And you'll see that the difference is pretty striking. You'll find that the fine-tuned model provides the SQL queries that actually match your database schema, unlike the generic queries you get from a standard model. As you can see, the fine-tuned model actually delivers the expectation of providing a query that you can use in your actual database. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. If you got questions or feedback, just put them down below in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.